NSK Japan is known for its high-quality products and has a wide base in India through exclusive partnership with Unicorn Denmark Limited. Amongst many products that have found favor with the Indian dentist, NSK Japan brings to you an advanced micromotor, the Surgic Pro, with maximum torque and speed settings, high power and accurate torque controls. NSK Japan Implant Micromotor, the Surgic Pro, is stylish, compact and a fully integrated system incorporating the unique, patented Advanced Handpiece Calibration. The handpiece calibration absolutely guarantees accurate speed and torque control consistent with the real-time performance exhibited on the Illuminated LCD. The inbuilt parameters for a wide range of speed and torque control allow dentists to perform critical implant procedures efficiently. The main advantage of Surgic Pro is that it can be used universally with any brand implant system. The Surgic Pro is a brushless micromotor and is available with torque settings which can be adjusted from 5 Newton centimeters to 80 Newton centimeters and have a speed range varying from 200 to 40,000 RPM, which suits the clinical demands of the user. Thus, this motor is highly suitable for even the most complicated implant surgeries. The implant micromotor has many unique features which includes the LED illumination for focusing on surgical sites for increased precision required for precise surgery along with low heat generation. The motor comes with facility to customize 8 programs for speed and torque controls, which can be both operated by the foot operation and touch play buttons on the control panel as required by the clinician. This advanced and stylish compact implant micromotor is unique and a valuable asset to be possessed by various dentists to perform critical implant surgeries in their clinical establishments.